Hi, I'm Dave Long from Static Works. We launched a video on YouTube recently comparing different types of conductive adhesive, and I've gotten a few questions. One of the biggest questions I got was, can you show me the bond strength differences between pressure sensitive adhesives? It's a big deal to a lot of people because pressure sensitive adhesives make jobs a lot easier. They're not messy, they don't ooze up through tiles when you roll the tiles. So what I've done to demonstrate this is I've taken 3 dumbbells. I took a 15-pounder, which I've attached to this piece of wood with conductive, pressure-sensitive, releasable adhesive. I took a 25-pound dumbbell. I've attached it to this piece of wood with Statbond permanent conductive adhesive, and I went for broke. I decided to mount a 40-pound dumbbell to this one with Statbond permanent adhesive. So all I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to pick up these pieces of wood and I'm going to tip them upside down, and we'll see if the adhesive actually holds the dumbbell. So I'm going to start with the 15-pounder that's held with the releasable adhesive. Did exactly what it's supposed to do. Now let's take the 25-pound dumbbell. No problem. Let's take the 40-pounder. No problem. That's what I'm talking about when I talk about bond strength. By the way, these are all steel dumbbells, so it doesn't really matter what your substrate is. It can be VCT, old epoxy, concrete, or metal. This adhesive will bond to all of those materials. Thanks for watching this. Please sign up for our YouTube channel. We have over 20 videos. I think you'll find them all very interesting. Thanks again.